Where am I?
Good morning.
Who are you?
Your worst nightmare.
Where are we?
In your dreamland.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Too bad. You're gonna stay here for the rest of your life.
Ways to